Hey, what's up? You gonna go down? Yee! Katie there, Kaijah there, Kahreem over there. We're going for a walk. Go for a walk with us. On the way on the outside, we're gonna have a family stroll. All right. So keep it locked, guys. Here we are again. We're just out on the field. You know, just going over to the playground over there for Kai. We're gonna just hang out with them. Kai wanna come out. Kareem wanna come out for a walk too. We had a rough night last night. Kareem was sick, so we were at the hospital with him. Sick kid. He had a fever. So last night we came in this morning. Actually, we came in Minister 10 this morning from the hospital in Toronto. So yeah, that was our night. But so that's why I'm home today. The kid here. She don't carry the tripod thingy, eh? I have the tripod thing. Kai, you gonna go for a walk? So Kaijah is busy. Kaijah is busy. See her there? She wanna go for her walk. Yeah. Eh? Get it. Wait, no, Kaijah, wait. Alright, so we're going on the walking trail. Get it there.
Hi YouTubers! Hey guys! Hey followers! Hey, how y'all doing? We're here walking with the kids. Kaijah loves to walk.
Yeah, she loves the outdoors.
The baby is not feeling so well.
He's getting better.
Yeah, and so we decided to, he's crying non-stop, so we decided to give him a push, and Kaijah wants to take a walk as well, so
Yeah, so this is our area. This is the field.
this is where we live.
This is the area. This is the area that we live in.
Our place.
Yeah.
Very lovely.
So we have a walking trail right there in front of us.
Wow.
So we're going for a walk down there. So. All right. There's Kaijah on. He's gonna go in the playground. Hey Kaijah, what's up? She's getting used to the slide, you know. Yeah, when she slide down. There's Kaijah there. We come one time when we just carry her come, she wouldn't go down the slides. No, she wants to go down the big slides. Yeah. Hey Kai, what's up? You gonna go down? Yee! All right. She loves them, the adventure. She's going back up again. Yeah. Yeah. So the trees. You know, there's a park walk. You have to go for a walk. Stroll. Oh, the baby?
Yeah.
She nyai. He might drop asleep. Push him, he might fall asleep.
So guys, this is beauty for us. In one of our videos, we said that after a while, all of this will be gone. So when it's summertime, we try our best to enjoy everything.
Yeah, when it's out here is white, no leaves on the trees, white and snow on the ground, ice and all that. Kai is way ahead. She's very adventurous. She's not afraid. She's not fearful like that. Some things make her frightened, but she's not really
Come,
afraid.
Kaijah, don't go so
Kai,
fence.
wait on us.
He's falling asleep.
Yeah, push him, let him come. Yep.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, walk with it. So me
Now what me I try catch up Kai?
slow.
Yeah, you're slow, you walk slow. You know that too. Even Kai walk faster. Eh? Even Kai walk faster than you. Alright. So you're on a walk with us. Just a little chill. Family walk out, chill.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is how it goes. So over there, trees and plazas is behind that bush over there, those trees. You can walk over there through the thing if we want to, but we don't want to encounter skunks if there's skunks down there. And you know, skunk not easy. When them drop it like it's hot on.
Why are you crying?
You? All 1 week you cut, yeah. 1 week you condemn smelly wise, my God, when them them not easy at all. So you must sleep? So guys, we're walking through the community. As you can see around. Yeah. Katie don't know in these places.
Tell them why.
She was pregnant last year when yeah. So sometime Kahreem never born it. Well, almost, yeah, she was big that time. So it was me. I carry Kai all the time for a walk. Hey Kai, say hi. Kai, say hi. Hi. Look, say hi. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. Guys, we have come to the end of another vlog.
Yes, guys, subscribe to our channel, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can get more videos and you get notified of our videos. And somebody could say, Kenny?
I
understand.
So people, thank you for always supporting us. Thank you for watching the channel. You know you need to do. You know you need to do. This has been your boy Kenny.
Yeah.
We have Kahreem right there. And Kaijah around. So Kaijah there. Alright guys. See ya. We're gone home.